What's up YouTube? So today I'm gonna do just a quick update on Bitcoin versus the US dollar. A quick update from yesterday's video. The plan is coming along nicely. Alright, so here we have BTC versus the US dollar on the 4-hour. I'm charting this on Bitstamp, and so I just wanted to show you guys quickly. Yesterday I talked about a potential new higher low here. So we had the swing high here, putting in a higher high, right? So yesterday I talked about the downtrend on the 4-hour, and basically what that means is we're having a you know oh god, I can't speak, sorry guys. Before the breakout out of this range, we were seeing, a high, a lower high, and low, lower low, and lower lows, right? So basically that's the definition of a downtrend, right? Lower highs and lower lows. We're now seeing the first potential higher low and the higher high, and this is, potentially a new higher low. So if we get this kind of movement right here, rejection here, bounce here, come up and reclaim that area, we might actually see a new uptrend forming on Bitcoin on the 4-hour. So that's what I'm looking for on the low to medium time frames, right? So basically, like I said yesterday, and like this could have been a pretty good trade, right? You long the first retest of range high. This wick is, obviously, not very nice, right? So, like, I would probably put the stop loss below these two. So that would mean I would probably get stopped out on this move right here. So a very nasty wick. That's why when you have a dump like this, it's better to, have a confirmed bounce and a confirmed break in market structure, right? So instead of, just buying blindly, I'd rather wait for the bigger move, and the bigger move will most likely come if we get this kind of, this kind of move, a bullish break in market structure. I would then want to long that bounce there. Right now we're seeing a potential break in market structure, a potential bullish break in market structure, and we haven't really got that yet, so I'm gonna be careful. Let's look at the daily, because like I told you guys yesterday, I'm waiting for the daily 21 EMA to come down into this area right here, something like this. I would then want to see the bullish break in market structure on the lower time frames, the 4-hour. Like this, right? It would look something like this. So what this would mean is we are getting rejected by the 21 EMA here, bounces off range high here, breaks the 21 EMA here, and then come down and test the 21 EMA for a a new higher low. I want to buy the first retest after a break and clean rounded retest after 21 EMA and daily. The best case scenario is a daily open and close above this area, confluent with 21 EMA and daily, and this very important resistance at 6.8k, right? So daily open and close above that area. I would then long the retest of the 21 EMA and daily. You could also wait for a daily close above here and long the retest of the 21 EMA and daily. Target would be that area up here. Basically that's just my update, right? Price action is following the plan nicely, but you gotta remember guys, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin because we are seeing this area acting as a very strong resistance. So there's no reason for me really to be bullish until we actually break this area to the upside. We retest it for continuation. That's when I will start to become bullish on Bitcoin for a move up here. So I'm just, I'm trader, I'm trading level by level. So I would, like, if we close a daily above this area, preferably a daily open and close, I would long a retest of this area for a move up here. But as long as this area acts as resistance, I'm still going to be bearish, right? Because resistance is resistance until proven otherwise. So this is going to be my target, and I'm going to look for the exact same setup up here, right? I want to see a bullish market structure, break above, long the retest. Where would that target be? Well, the target would obviously be somewhere up in this region, right? So you're having, on the lower time frames, you get resistance here, you get resistance in this area, and next resistance will be previous range low up here. So I want to see a break of this area, and I will go more into detail when or if we actually come up here. But I want to see a daily close above this area, a bullish market structure. I want to see this kind of movement, right? A high, a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and continuation, right? That's what I'm looking for. This is a bullish market structure, right? As soon as we, like, maybe we get this high up here, I take profits up here, we get a, like, let's say we get a break in market structure, right? So we might get a break in market structure, right? We get something like this. We take out this previous higher low, bearish retest, take out this area, bearish retest, and this is then a low, lower low, a high, and a lower high. This is then a bearish market structure. So we're going from a bullish market structure to a bearish break in market structure. That's when you want to be short, right? And that's the exact same type of pattern I'm looking for down here. We are seeing a bearish market structure with lower lows and lower highs. We are slowly transitioning into a bullish market structure with higher lows and higher highs. I want to see this trend continue, right? And it's not confirmed yet, but I would say that it's confirmed if we see this type of move, right? And I then want to jump on in either this retest, or if we get a retest of 21 EMA in a daily. So maybe you could layer some bids in here. And as soon as we break this area to the downside and make it bearish retest, that's when I will start to become bearish again. So to sum it all up, let's look at the daily. Daily close, or preferably a daily open and close above the 21 EMA in the daily, would make me bullish for a move up to this area. If we fail to form the bullish market structure and we instead close down in range again and make a bearish retest of range high to move down to range low, and maybe we break this area, I mean, this type of move right here, that's when I will, I will stay in cash and I won't buy any more Bitcoin until we actually hit the 3k area down here. So that's my two scenarios. Either we come down and test the area around 3k, or we break above 6.8 and test the 8,000 area. Alright, so that's a quick update on Bitcoin, guys. Remember, if you like this kind of type of videos, please subscribe to my channel if you like, and leave a comment if you think this theory is just bullshit. Maybe you have another idea you want to share. Leave a comment, and if you like, subscribe to the channel. And guys, tonight I'm gonna do a live stream with Kong, another member of the Burb Nest. I'm gonna be on Twitch, and most of my live streams will be moved towards Twitch in the future. So remember to subscribe and follow me on Twitch if you want to see my live streams. We will be doing some live trading. We will be doing some short requests, take a look at alts, Bitcoin, maybe the traditional markets like gold and silver, and a couple of stocks, oil. We might do some live scalping action on Bitcoin too. So yeah, we'll probably be doing that tonight. So take a look at Twitch, and if you guys are liking what you're seeing, and if you guys like this type of stuff and want to have daily updates on Bitcoin, consider checking out the Burb Nest community. You got all the links in the description below. Alright, so take care guys, and thanks for joining.